Good morning and Assalamu alaikum girls. Welcome to the online classes. And today we will start our chapter number 4, mass density and temperature. In this unit we will learn about the mass and the units of measurement. Second one will be the types of the balances for measuring the mass, means the instrument that are used to measure the mass. Next topic will be about the density, the definition for density, that means what is density and the units in which density can be measured. And we will know about how to find the density of a substance using the density equation of floating and sinking objects. And the last one topic will be about the temperature, its units, and how to read the mercury in glass thermometer. So let's start our topic now. So let's start our work now, and the topic number 1, that is about the mass. Mass, first of all I will tell you about the definition of a mass. Mass is the amount of matter of an object, and the SI unit that is used to measure the mass is a kilogram. The original kilogram prototype, which is a metal cylinder, is made up of platinum and iridium that is kept in the France. Means kilogram prototype is originally you have seen these kilogram prototype in many shops that they use for the measurement. But the original kilogram prototype that is made up of platinum and iridium is kept in the France, while a copy of original prototype is made for the further references that is kept in Singapore Institute of Standard and Industrial Research. So next one, that is the unit. The unit that is used to measure the mass is a kilogram, that is a SI unit, and I have told you about the SI unit, that is System International Unit. While the other units that are used to measure the mass of heavy objects and the small objects, like the elephant that has a large mass, is measured in a ton, that is the large unit of mass. Next one is a gram. Gram is a smaller unit than the kilogram, and the smallest unit is milligram. Like I can give you the example that in ton we measure the mass of elephant, like elephant has a mass of 4 ton. Gram is used to measure the mass like the apple, and apple has a mass of 40 gram, while milligram is used to measure the smaller masses like the rice grain that has a mass of 0.02 milligram, and kilogram is used for our mass, like we have a mass of 50, 40 or the 60 kilogram. Next one topic, that is about measuring mass, that how we can measure the mass. The instrument that is used to measure the mass is balance. Balance is used to measure the mass, and the balance that are used to measure the mass are beam balance, that is double beam balance, and electronic balance. In both, first of all, beam balance was used to measure the mass, but later on now electronic balance is more accurate to measure the mass. And girls, here you can see the diagram of a double beam balance and electronic balance, that are the types of balance to measure the mass. Beam balance is still used to give very accurate measurements. However, the electronic balance is fast becoming popular. Means electronic balance is mostly used nowadays because of easy handling. There is easy to handle the electronic balance, and it gives high accuracy, means the digits that it give are accurate and easy digital reading. And you can see the reading here on our screen like the digits, and so that's why electronic balance is more accurate. While the double beam balance was firstly used to measure the mass, here we put some object, and when the spring moves here, then you can see the reading over here on this spring balance. Okay guys, this was our work. Do the reading, and if you have any problem, then ask me. Allah Hafiz girls. Next one is a mini exercise of page number 45 that we have to do, and the mini exercise is about the conversion of units of mass. We have read about the units of the mass, like the ton, that is a larger unit. Next one is a kilogram, gram, and milligram. now I will tell you about the conversion of these units. So let's move. Here I want to tell you that 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. That's mean 1000 kilograms make a 1 ton, while 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, means 1000 grams make a 1 kilogram, and 1 gram is made up of 1000 milligram. So we have to make these conversions like of the mini exercise. 1 gram is equal to dash ton. We have to tell you about 1 kilogram has how many tons, and 1 gram has how many tons, and next one is 1 milligram is has how many grams and kilograms. Here I have write down 1 kilogram is equal to 1 by 1010. Why I write down this? Because I told you about that 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilogram, but there is a question that 1 kilogram is equal to how many tons. So we have to move from the smaller unit to the larger unit, so that's why we use a divide sign, means 1 divided by 1000. We have 1 kilogram, so we write down here 1 as a numerator, and denominator that is 1000, because 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. Next one, 1 gram is equal to kilogram, means we have to convert gram into kilogram, but we know that 1 kilogram is equal to gram, 1000 gram. Here we have opposite conversion from gram to kilogram, so also we have to divide it with the 1, because here we have 1 gram, so we write down here 1 as a numerator, and the conversion includes 1000 difference, so we have written here 1 by 1000 kilogram. Next one is 1 milligram is equal to how many grams and kilograms, means first of all we have to convert the milligram into gram and then into kilogram, and we know that 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram, so we have to move opposite direction, means milligram to gram, so we write down here as a 1 as a numerator and divided by 1000, and the answer is 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 1000 gram. Next one, in the kilogram we write down here 1 divided by 1000 for the gram conversion, and next one is kilogram conversion, means first of all we have to move from the milligram to the gram, that is 1 by 1000, and next one gram to kilogram, that also has a 1000 difference, so we write down here 1 by 1000 comma 1000 kilograms. So this was our chapter. You have to make the reading of this chapter, page number 44, 45 and 46. If you have any problem, then ask me. Allah Hafiz girls.